In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete bank statements in Xero. So, if you find yourself needing to tidy up your account records or simply remove an outdated bank statement, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into this process step by step, ensuring it's as seamless and straightforward as possible. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Xero website. Once you're there, it's time to log in with your credentials. After successfully logging in, you'll be on the dashboard, which is your starting point for everything Xero related. Next, look for the Accounting tab in your main navigation menu. It's typically located at the top of your screen. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down list with several options. From this list, you should select Bank Accounts. This section displays all your linked bank accounts and where you'll manage your associated bank statements. As you arrive at the Bank Accounts page, you'll find an option labeled Manage Accounts. Click on it and you will be presented with various actions relating to your bank accounts. One of these options is Bank Statements. This is where the real action begins, so go ahead and click on it. You'll be directed to a list of all the bank statements currently linked to your Xero account. Now comes the crucial part. Scroll through the list to locate the bank statement you wish to delete. Take your time with this step to ensure that you're selecting the correct statement, as deleting a statement is something you'll want to do accurately, given it impacts your financial records. Once you've identified the statement you want to remove, you'll notice a checkbox or a small box next to it. Clicking this box will highlight your chosen statement. With your statement selected, you'll see a Delete button appearing on the screen. This button typically becomes visible only when a statement is selected, helping to prevent accidental deletion. Now, it's simply a matter of clicking this Delete button. Xero may prompt a confirmation message to ensure that you're intentionally deleting the selected statement. Confirm your choice, and the statement will be removed from your records. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted a bank statement in Xero. It's always worth double-checking to confirm that your work has been saved correctly, so feel free to revisit the bank statements page to ensure the statement no longer appears. This process helps you keep your bank accounts in Xero clean and organized, reflecting only the most current and relevant financial data. Happy bookkeeping, and I hope this guide has been helpful for your needs in managing your business finances.